strong and silent-natured, successful doctor. There was an accident where he lost the love of his life, which is why इसीलिए वो ये सब बोलता है कि आपको पत्नी का प्यार नहीं दे पाऊंगा. My job is to take care of my department and do what I am here to do.
स्वागत है सर आपका दिल्ली चक्कर पर.
Thank you, sir.
सर सबसे पहले तो हम जानना चाहेंगे व्हाट मेक्स यू से यस फॉर दिस शो.
एक बात तो ये है कि हिंदी में मेरा डेब्यू होने वाला है ये.
हाँ.
So that was very exciting because I've been working for a long time, but only in Bengal. I haven't really worked in Hindi, apart from one guest appearance in the film Pink.
Yeah.
So this is my proper debut, and I'm looking forward to having this national appeal, this reach that is going to be much bigger than Bengali projects.
पर ये पहली बार तो नहीं होगा ना आपको हिंदी टीवी शो या फिल्म ऑफर हुई है, इसके पहले भी तो हुआ होगा.
ऑडिशंस हुए हैं कई सारे, लेकिन अनफॉर्चुनेटली क्रैक नहीं हुआ है, तो ये क्रैक हो गया है. एंड वी हैव शाहाना मैम एंड रोहित सर हु आर फ्रॉम बंगाल, who are instrumental in making this work. Shahana ma'am is also writing it.
Yeah.
So they have known me for a long. I've known them for a long time. So the first audition came through them. So thankfully it worked out. I'm very glad to have the opportunity. Let's hope I do justice to it.
प्रोमो लॉन्च के दौरान जितने भी हमें आपका किरदार दिखा है वो इतना ज्यादा अंडरलाइंड नहीं है अभी तक.
जी.
उसके कितने शेड्स हैं, क्या वो ग्रे होगा, पॉजिटिव, क्या वो मेन विलन होगा, no one knows about it. Please tell us about your character.
He is a strong and silent-natured, successful doctor.
Okay.
Very invested in his family. There was an accident where he lost the love of his life, which is why he changed. He became a lot more withdrawn and silent. इसीलिए वो ये सब बोलता है कि आपको पत्नी का प्यार नहीं दे पाऊंगा. I am marrying you, okay, but I cannot open my heart to anyone else after the shock I have been through, which is why he's become a very closed individual.
क्या कुछ तैयारी करना पड़ा था because you are from Bengal and you are doing a Bengali किरदार, so I don't think कि कुछ extra effort लगे होंगे, but in terms of language and in terms to digest हिंदी टीवी का सेटअप, प्री प्रोडक्शन का क्या कुछ तैयारी लगी आपको?
प्रोडक्शन मेकिंग मुझे कुछ ज़्यादा डिफरेंट नहीं लग रहा है कुछ भी.
Okay.
और ये हिंदी शो है तो चैलेंजिंग तो था ही. हो सकता है कि इट इज़ बेस्ड इन बंगाल, हो सकता है कैरेक्टर्स बंगाली है, बट ऑल डायलॉग्स आर इन हिंदी एक्सेप्ट फॉर द ओकेजनल वर्ड और सेंटेंस इन बांग्ला. इट इज 99% in Hindi for the Hindi speaking audience, for everybody in India, not just the Hindi speaking audience. Anyone who enjoys watching Indian TV, it is for everyone, and we depend on your feedback when we work in this profession. चैलेंजिंग है, हर रोल चैलेंजिंग होता है, ये भी चैलेंजिंग है.
आपके किरदार को हम कैसे देख पाएंगे? क्या इट विल बी गोइंग टू बी अ कंप्लीटली ग्रे? इज ही गोइंग टू बी द वन जो स्टोरी को एंड मोमेंट पे आके ट्विस्ट कर देगा?
एंडिंग फॉर अ टीवी शो डिपेंड्स ऑन मैनी थिंग्स. सो अब तक हमने जो भी देखा है, ही इज अ थरो जेंटलमैन,
Okay.
loving brother and son,
Okay.
and he has been through a lot. So he's a very silent, brooding, intense sort of individual who does not smile, almost does not smile at all. But he's very close to his family and the people that he loves and respects.
How was your experience working in Pink? What was your expectations और क्या वो meet हुआ after that?
Pink was a guest appearance because the director, Mr. Aniruddha Roy Chaudhary, we know him as Tony Da.
Tony Da
has been a friend for a long time. So I was glad to have that opportunity. It was shot in Delhi. I didn't shoot in Mumbai at the time.
Yeah.
But it was a nice experience. It was credited as a guest appearance, so it wasn't a. It had an impact. But creditless देखा जाए तो हो सकता है कि it was not a major role or anything, but it was.
But गैरअप तो मिला होगा एज एन एक्ट प्रोफाइल में कुछ ऑन.
This is dipping my toes in something apart from Bengal and
बंगाल. अच्छा, बंगाल से एक और एक्टर हमारे बीच हिंदी टीवी में आए थे. यू मस्ट बी अवेयर ऑफ क्रुशल आहूजा.
Yes, definitely.
तो कितना जानते हो आप उन्हें और कितना काम देखा है उनका?
We don't know each other that well. We know each other. We haven't really interacted a lot.
Okay.
But then his show has done well. I wish him all the best for the future.
His show was for a long time. Jhanak, his show was on number 1.
Lovely.
Yeah, so we expect एक और बंगाल से हीरो आया है जो इस शो को नंबर 1 पर ले जाएगा.
Let's hope so. But it's not only about the hero, the writing and the execution. We have a great team behind the camera and in front of the camera. We have lovely artists working together. So it's a huge opportunity for me. I'm very lucky to be here. So let's hope this any project is a team effort. So everyone is working very hard, so am I. And I'm quite sure our hard work will pay off in some way.
As you said this कि ये team work है, there are set of people who still think that TV तो औरतों का medium है. What do you want to say on
People are free to think what they want to think, they're free to say what they want to say. My job is to take care of my department and do what I am here to do. If I spend too much time thinking about what people think, then I'll be living people's lives, not my life. So I prefer not to do that.
सेकेंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन व्हाट आई रियली फील टू आस्क यू कि एस्पिरेशन में क्या है और बकेट लिस्ट में क्या है टू डू हिंदी बैक टू बैक या वापस अगर कुछ अच्छा स्टोरी लाइन आया तो और हिंदी में भी हाउ यू सिलेक्ट अ प्रोजेक्ट
That is the trickiest part, how to select, because no one can see the future. You
Yeah.
never know. Many people have had many ambitious dreams shattered because the plan didn't work. Many big films have failed with big stars. Many unexpected sleeper hits have emerged from every industry, not just Hindi, not just Bangla. So yes, I intend to work in both the industries. वहाँ भी काम मिलेगा, यहाँ hopefully हिंदी में भी काम मिलेगा post Nayantara. So I would like to work everywhere. The ultimate goal is to do good work and be known for good work, and to meet your personal goals as well.
व्हेन आई वाज स्टडीिंग सिनेमा आई हैव सीन अ फिल्म कॉल्ड पथेर पांचाली
Oh, who hasn't? Yes,
हां एंड यू आर कमिंग फ्रॉम दैट लैंड ओनली
yes.
होप्स ज्यादा है एक्सपेक्टेशंस ज्यादा है तो फैंस के इस होप एक्सपेक्टेशंस के लिए आप क्या कहना चाहोगे
हाँ, ये तो है ही. बंगाल मतलब सत्यजीत रे, उत्तम कुमार, etc.
स्टोरी टेलिंग की धरती है
स्टोरी टेलिंग की धरती है. But what legends have done is to be discussed, but it is not to be recreated. It is something to aspire for, but everybody is unique in their own way. We have always had Bengali makers, actors, actresses, singers ruling in
Entertainment
entertainment
industry, yeah,
everywhere,
yeah.
in Hindi, everywhere. So now that I have this opportunity, I don't know how much I'll be able to rule, but if I can at least make a place in the hearts of our audience, it'll be a big thing for me.
इट विल बी थैंक यू सो मच कैसा लगा टेली चक्कर से बातचीत करके
बहुत अच्छा लगा. Thank you. Lovely questions. I think it's a very, very enriching interview for me as well. Hello, this is Arjun Chakrabarti, and you are watching me on Tele Chakkar.